Changing the language in the Outlook app is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to adjust the language settings to your preference. Step 1. Open the Outlook app. Launch the Outlook app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Access settings. Locate the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Tap on it to open the settings menu. Step 3. Find language options. Scroll through the settings menu until you find the language or language and region option. Select this option to view the available languages. Step 4. Select your preferred language. From the list of available languages, choose the one you want to use. Tap on it to select it as your preferred language for the app. Step 5. Restart the app. After selecting your preferred language, close the Outlook app completely and restart it. This will apply the new language settings. By following these steps, you can easily change the language in the Outlook app to suit your needs. Enjoy using Outlook in your preferred language.